video. Hey y'all, welcome back to FlyafterFifty, no spaces. I'm your Fly Dog D and I'm back with another video. Y'all, I did this look, mainly the eyes on camera. That's just the eyes, because the rest is for Foundation Friday. Hopefully you already watched that. If not, I'll link it up above and down below. But yeah, for this video, I used the Ensley Rain Cosmetics Harvest Moon palette. That palette is gorgeous. I love using it, but it did have a few things missing from it that I wish it did have, like lighter mattes and lighter shimmers. But I think their new one is going to solve all that for me. I thought it was fitting because their newer palette, which I'll put up here, is about to release probably in a few days, and I do plan on picking that up. So I want to give this one here a little try so I can see if I really do like it, and to make sure I'm not wasting my money on the next one. So if you want to see this look, just keep on watching. Alright y'all, here's my finished look. Thank you so much for watching. That's it for this video. And until I see you in another one, stay fly, sis.